over pressure of work and how to deal with this situation, any yogic technique or method to make ourselves more powerful, more stronger. Remember, you are born on planet Earth to live your life. You are not living here to work. Life will not remain the same. Pranam. Prayers for you and your loved ones. In today's session, we are taking the question about over pressure of work and how to deal with this situation, any yogic technique or method to make ourselves more powerful, more stronger, so that we can work properly and can bring positive results. Now, for this question, observe your day, whether you are working or you are not working. Body and mind, they are getting exhausted continuously. Even if you are sleeping for whole day, you will get exhausted. And if you are working, then naturally you will feel tired and energy will move out from you. So by any situation, whether you are working or you are not working, remember, you will get exhausted. Your energies will be consumed. So the first answer or first solution for the question is, our energies, they will be consumed by both the situations, whether we are working or not. So we need to refuel ourselves with the energy. So this is our first solution. We need to do something special in the day, in our practices, in our training, where we are able to add more power, more energy in our mind, in our body. So what is that practice? That's what we will learn today. Second answer, when you say that work is too much and because of that pressure you are getting tired, remember, you are born on planet Earth to live your life. You are not living here to work. You are working to plan your life, to live your life. So bring the discipline of work life. You need to go very deep with the understanding of your life. You should not disturb your life because of work. The pattern of your action need to be designed in such a way that it is helping your life. So if I'm working 15 hours, 18 hours, and then I'm getting exhausted, I'm getting tired, and then I'm asking that how I can heal myself, how I can treat myself, your beginning itself is wrong. Now correcting you will be very tough, it will be very challenging. So what I should do? Bring proper work-life balance. You need to bring discipline. And discipline is not something which can be executed by everyone. It requires your mindset. It requires your deep understanding. Discipline of work and discipline of life both need to be planned wisely. So if you do this, then the question disappears. The problem is you are doing too much. And when you are giving double pressure on the body, which can carry 50 kg, then naturally body will get into some trouble. So we need to save ourselves from conscious trouble. We are putting ourselves in the danger consciously. That we need to avoid. And third point, in this life, we continuously will keep getting opportunities. Sometime life will be good, sometime life will go here and there. You need to accept this truth. Life will not remain the same, whether you are a good person or a bad person. Up and down, it's a natural process of life. So accept it. And when you accept, then there is no down. See, sometimes people, they get into some fear. They feel that if I accept this truth that life is about low and high, then when I go low and I'm accepting, then I'll suffer. It doesn't work like that. When you get into the mood of acceptance of low and high of life, high, you will enjoy, and when you are in low phase, you will have that patience with you. You will have this special power which will help you to move up. So in both the situations, you will be able to safeguard yourself. So this is very important, to accept our life as it is, the way how the situation is. And that's what planet Earth is. You can't expect everything from this place. Whatever you're getting, you are blessed. And suppose if you're not getting something, have patience, wait for some time. It's a situation where there is a cyclone, there is storm. Wait for some time. This time also will pass. So wait, have patience. Once you are done with this acceptance of life, that life is like this, and by any means you need to be strong, then again the question will not be there. It will disappear. It will not impact you much. Now let's move back to our first solution. The pressure is too high, but work need to be done. Body is getting low, it's becoming weak. What I should do? So we need to have some treatment. We need to do the solution. We understand other reasons, we understand other answers, but right now the situation is body is low, body is weak. What I should do? You need to use a breathing technique, very simple breathing process, which will help you to transform your entire thought process. And when you think different, then the way how you see the situation also, it changes. So if I am seeing the situation as challenging, I see it troubling, and my thoughts, they change. And if I am changed positively, so after some time, same thing will have different meaning for me. That's what breathing techniques, they impact us. They do this to our body. So very easy breathing technique we will learn. How to do this? Sit down the way how you are. Relax with your body. Close your eyes. Think about your question. Think about your problem, your situation. You are working. Work is too much. It is building pressure on you. You need to heal yourself so that you can work more and become successful. To become successful, you need to be strong with your body. And to be strong with your body, you need to use the power of breath. Now, very gently, focus on your breath. Add power in this. While inhaling, inhale for 5 counts. So 1 breath in 5 seconds. You inhale. Then you hold. And then exhale. Be with the breath. Give attention to your breath. Be with your breath. So inhale for 5 seconds. Hold for 5 seconds. Initially, you may feel little heavy with your chest, with your lungs. But with your continuous practice, with your regular practice, you will gain this level and you will be able to hold your breath for longer duration. Repeat this 10 times and then gently come out. This practice can be done early morning, empty stomach. Then same thing you can do in the evening. And if you become good with the training, good with this practice, you will see miraculous result in your thought process. you will see complete transformation in your behavior, in your attitude. And once you become strong with your mind, with your thought pattern, then work can be anything, pressure can be double, but nothing will panic you, nothing will disturb you. You will remain the same. You will become a still energy. You will become someone who can face anything, who can receive anything without getting distracted, without getting trouble. And that's what the power of this technique is. It will change you miraculously. This is for the day. With more question, more practice, we will meet soon. Take good care of yourself. Namho Himalaya.